Hello! Today we're going to show you how to check the reversing valve on your Perfect Aire Mini Splits outdoor condenser. Before we begin, make sure you disconnect power from your unit before removing anything. First, you'll need to remove the 3 screws on the top panel with a Phillips head screwdriver. There's one located on the right side of the unit and 2 located on the left side. Note, your unit may have more or less screws depending on the model number. For this video, we are using the 18,000 BTU model. Next, remove the top panel and place it to the side. After setting your multimeter to volts, place the needles into the blue wires here, which connect to the reversing valve. When the unit is in cooling mode, the multimeter should read 0 volts. However, once you turn the unit to heating mode, the valve should begin to charge. Once charged, it should read somewhere around 240 volts. Alternatively, you can remove the reversing valve solenoid from the condenser completely and check it using a simple trick. You'll need to unscrew the condenser's front panel. There are 8 screws you'll need to remove, 3 on the left-hand side of the unit, 3 at the top of the front panel, and 2 at the bottom of the panel. Once the screws are removed, you can lift the front panel off of the unit and place it to the side. Pull back the cloth cover from the lower part of the unit. Using an 8mm socket wrench, unscrew the solenoid from the interior of the unit. Once the solenoid has been removed, you can test whether or not it still works by putting a thin screwdriver into the center. If you move it around and feel magnetic resistance, then the solenoid still works. If you don't feel that resistance, it will need to be replaced. Now your condenser should be ready to run. Thanks for watching!